Hey nerds, welcome back. We're gonna make noodles today with my nice cool editing. You know the vibes. Yes, yeah, we're just gonna make noodles. My nice kitchen. Gotta get your a nice bowl. Why is this so big? Nice fork. And then you need your pot. And put it on the stove. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, now you need to get your water and start boiling the water. Because that's what people do. Yes, ma'am. It'll turn on. Okay, now I gotta go get your water. And put it in the pot. Or whatever this is called, I don't remember. Perfect. Now you need to go wash your hands because coronavirus. Nice soap. I'm kidding, don't do that. It's pink. That's really weird. Make sure you get under your nails. My nails are super long. It'll take a while before that starts boiling, so. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gotta wash your hands because you don't want to get coronavirus from the nasty people outside. But it's not like I've been outside lately because quarantine. I'll probably upload this tonight, so I probably already ate my noodles. But yeah, my birthday is in like 3 days, so that's fun. It's on Friday, April 24th for you dumb people. Kidding. I'm just like that. I'm sorry. Dry your hands. Yes, ma'am. It's not boiling yet because this is being rude. But you know, it's okay. We might as well set up like a nice full course meal because, yeah, why not? We're gonna have our like nice table set up over here because, yeah, I don't know what that is. They had Chinese food yesterday that I can't eat. Hee. And where are those little plate thingies? Oh, up there. I'm gonna put brownie on it because, yes, I'm a baker and I made these nice brownies. Very, very nice. Let's put 2 on there. Come on, I'm just hungry like that. You can put it over there. I'm so godly. Now that water is starting to boil, you open up your noodles. This is the noodles I use because it's the only noodles I can eat from the pantry. You cut it open like a normal person, unless you have really deadly teeth and you just bite it open, which I don't think is a very good idea. Got your packets. I melt the oil a little bit in the water because I'm dumb. Softens it. Yeah, you don't want really chunky oil. That's weird. Got your seasoning. And now that the water is pretty much boiled, you put your noodles in. Ooh. Okay, now you get your fork and you stir it in there. And for 3 minutes. So, 11:58, 11:59, 12:01, this will be done. Smart. Shut up. I'm a godly noodle maker. So this will be nice. I should start a rating noodles series. That would be so cool if I just rated noodles. I just need to find more noodles that I can eat. We can make mac and cheese next time, yes. Yes, ma'am. Cooking it up. Cause I'm cool like that. Yes, very, very nice. Noodles are so good. I love noodles so much. I just wish I would feel more Asian when I ate them. Not that I don't feel Asian already, but like, pass me some chopsticks. I want to feel full on Asian. And if you're one of my close friends, feel free to screenshot me doing weird things in this video because you're just like that, and I know you are, so be like that. So mean. Now that your noodles are done boiling, you have to turn it out, turn the stove off, and drain them. I'll do that real quick. Okay, now in your bowl, you gotta open up this little packet thingy-majiggy and put it into the bowl. Squeeze it all in because, yes, don't want to waste. I'm very good at this. And then now you take your fork and you like kind of mix it together a little bit. Because you're weird like that. That's very nice. Now you put your seasoning in. I'm probably doing this wrong, but it still tastes like noodles, so it's fine. mix that together because you're a cool kid. Just kidding, you might not be a cool kid, but just still mix it together because that's what it says on the packaging. But I don't think that's what it means, but it's fine. Now you mix it all together. You can pour in your noodles. Yummy. And mix it. This video actually might be kind of long. Now that I think of it. But that's fine. Just for the YouTube, the quarantiners who want to make fun of me. I'm kidding. Well, maybe. I don't know. I'm kind of stupid anyway, so we'll see. Now, since you're a good kid, I don't know how I did that. You gotta throw your trash away and put everything away so you don't make your parents mad when they come home. Now you can go put your noodles at the table. Yes, ma'am. With your nice table setup. Yes, sir. And now you can eat your noodles. This is like a really, this place, if you're from Instagram, you know this because I always post myself eating here because I'm just cool like that, obviously. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten all morning because I just woke up before I started eating noodles or making them. I'm crying because I stuck the fork down my mouth. Why did I do that? I'm hot. It's okay. It's noodles. It's okay. If you liked my noodle video, you should like, subscribe, and turn on your post. Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a crackhead video. Yay. Okay. Bye.